So we'll have a test this weekend on Unit 6. Unit 6 started out with graphing, solving systems of equations with graphing. Then it went to solving systems of inequalities. Then we did substitution and elimination on 2x2 systems. Then we did substitution and elimination on 3x3 systems. Then we did a lot of stuff with matrices. And then this past couple of days we've been solving with matrices. Okay? So all of that is going to be on the test this weekend. Okay? Your test this weekend will be in 2 parts. Part number 1 is going to be on its learning and multiple choice like normal. Part number 2 is going to be do these specific problems, turn it in by showing all of your work. Okay? So there's 2 different parts to this test. Okay? So again, I beg of you, if you've got missing work, get it in, especially get it in before this weekend, because that's preparing yourself the best way for the test, okay? So that you have everything done. Plus, it is progress report time, okay? Some of you probably noticed your grade changed a little bit. Some of them changed a lot, because for progress, I took off all of the semester 1 stuff. I took that part away from the grade, and so it's just the semester 2 progress grade, so you kind of see how you've been doing the last couple of weeks. And then next week I'll put that back on. Okay, so next after I submit them on Monday, I'll put semester 1 back on, and then we'll be back to where we should be until quarter time and so on and so forth. Okay? Because guess what? Quarter time's not that far away either. Okay? So the end of the quarter is a week. Well, not a week, a month. A month would put us to 17. A month and a week. So 5 weeks. 5 weeks. End of the quarter. Okay? So just so you know. And then it's spring break time. Yay, spring break. Okay? And then after that, whoo! Then we get into the good stuff. Okay? So we really only have 3 total units in second semester. Okay? So we just did at the end of one of them. Then we got sequences and series to talk about here in the next 5 weeks. And then we've got conic sections. Conic sections will take almost all of the quarter. Okay. And then we'll be ready to go. And then it's graduation time. Yay, graduation. Yep. So, I would like you, I don't care how you do it. Today I told you it's going to be a you choose kind of a day. You pick how you do this one. So you've got graphing. If you need graph paper, I've got graph paper up here. You've got substitution. You've got elimination. You've got matrices. I don't care. You do this one. I'll be the picker. Or you be the picker. I'll be the grinner. I would agree. Because substitution is set up for us, right? We can just easily put here 2x minus 10 and go right in there. So then that would give us x minus 4 times 2x minus 10, and that's going to equal 5. So that would be x minus 8x plus 40 equals 5. So that's going to be negative 7x equals negative 35. So I get x is 5. Is that what you got too? That's a good thing. If I plug in 5 up in here then, y is going to be 2 times, oops, wrong color, 2 times 5 minus 10. That's going to be 10 minus 10. That's going to be y is 0. Checking it, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 is equal to 0. Yeah, Try that one. Solve it using any. I'm guessing you solved that one for x. I'm going to multiply that one though by 3. So then that's going to give me negative 3x plus 6y equals negative 24. Six and negative 1. 6 times 3 is 18. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. 18 plus negative 3 is 15. Checks out. Negative 6, or negative of 6 is negative 6. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 6 plus negative 2 is negative 8. Checks out. I get an answer of 6, comma, negative 1. Yes? Yeah? Love it. Oh, yeah. Let's do it. Oh, yeah. I would have also chosen elimination, and I would have also chosen X. Okay? So if we label these as 1, 2, and 3, I would add 1 and 2. Or excuse me, 1 and 3. Right? So that gives me x plus 4y minus 2z equals 12. That light is like right, actually no, that light is right where I was trying to look. I couldn't see necessarily the best. Then negative x plus z equals negative 9. Add those two together, and we get 7y minus z equals 3. Then I would take equation number 2, and I would add to it 3 times equation number 3. So that would be minus y plus 4z equals 6. And 3 times that one would be negative 3x plus 9y plus 3z equals negative 27. Eight y plus 7z is negative 21. Then I would take this equation and multiply it by 7. Right? All that for y equals 0. If y equals 0, then 7, y is 0, 7 times 0 minus z has to be 3. 7 times 0 is 0, so this is just negative z equals 3. So z equals negative 3. I'd probably go all the way back into equation number 1. X plus 4y minus 2z equals 12. So x we don't know yet. Y is 0. Z is negative 3. So that's going to be x plus 6 equals 12. So x is 6. So my potential ordered triple is 6, comma, 0, comma, negative 3. I'm going to scooch back up here. I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to come back down here. And I'm going to paste it. Okay. Oh, 6 is 6. 4 times 0 is 0. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. And that equals 12. 12 is equal to 12. Boom. Done. 3 times 6 is 18. Minus 0 is 0. Plus 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. That's equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. Negative of 6 is negative 6. 3 times 0 is 0. Minus 3. That's going to be negative 9. Checks out. Sha. Bam. Okay. Questions, comments, concerns, clarifications? I noticed nobody chose graphic. I didn't choose graphic either, so I get it. Yeah. So, for the remainder of time today, you can continue working on worksheet number 20, or worksheet from this week, which is 23. It's the review for Unit 6. It's in their packet. It'll be due Sunday night with the test. Okay? Also on top of that, missing work could be done and turned in, or, fixed, or anything like that. Okay?
Do you have a copy?
I don't, but I can